Well, 6 months have passed since the elevators here at the Carl Fisher building in Lower Manhattan, New York City have been modernized by BP Elevator, Bergen-Passaic Elevator out of the Bronx, and as you may have recalled, these elevators used to have monitor TR and beautiful brass caps, and as well as a rather swift speed. Well, they're essentially the same now, except they have a different variation of monitor fixtures, and as well as they talk now. The annunciators are still just for show. They haven't worked since they were initially replaced by KONE in 2001, but now they have been modernized again by Bergen-Passaic Elevator. Let's go for a ride. The cabs are still the same, just they have new controllers and motors and fixtures. Going down. Here we are, one. Seemed to stop more aggressively than the original one.
First floor.
Back to 1. Go up to 12. As I should note, the indicator was previously down here. Now it's up there. Here we are at 12.
Twelfth floor.
As of now, both elevators are modernized. And I also talked with a representative from BP Elevator. The reason for the modernization was that with the other ones, they started having some weird issues, such as randomly going up to the 12th floor with no button press. Here we're back at 1.
First floor.
And it's back at 5, and we're going to switch. Except I think this might be the only one working at the moment. Got your monitor fixtures, is different variation of TR. We're going to send you up to 12.
Fifth floor. Going up.
I think this might be the only one working, but at the moment. There it goes, and here's this one. Unlike the other one, this does not serve the basement. You're at the first floor.
First floor.
Go up to 12. Same cab as before, except they just retouched it, touched it up. Here we are at 12.
Twelfth floor.
Now this does have a floor passing chime. I'm gonna hit the signal button so you can hear it. We're back at 1, and now we're going to end it at 5.
First floor going up.
In the same cab, except it's been touched up beautifully. And here we're back at the 5th floor.
Fifth floor.
And there it goes in.